Morning student, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmic Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 7th math and our chapter is triangle and its property. So student, in this chapter we learn about triangle. Three-side closed figure is called a triangle and what type of triangle are there, that is according to their sides we can we can take three type of triangle, that is equilateral triangle, scalene triangle and isosceles triangle. What is this equilateral triangle? The triangle which have all the sides and all the angles are equal, that is called equilateral triangle. Okay, and the triangle which have only two sides are equal, that is called isosceles triangle, and the triangle which have no one sides are equal, that is called scalene triangle. Okay, now according to their angles we can divide it into three parts, that is acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. What is angle sum property of a triangle? We can say that angle sum property of a triangle is the sum of all three angles is always 180 degree. Okay student. Okay, what is triangle? Triangle, three-sided closed figure is called a triangle. Okay, and in this chapter we also learn about some properties of triangle. Okay, what is median of a triangle, what is altitude of a triangle, and what about angle sum property of a triangle, what about exterior angle property, and so on. Okay, a triangle is a closed figure made up of three line segments. Okay, it's our basic knowledge for triangle. Okay, now if we knowing about more about this triangle, then we know in a triangle there are three sides, three angles and three vertices. Okay, and types of triangle, if we talk about a types of triangle, there are six types according to their sides. We have classified it into three parts, that is equilateral, scalene and isosceles triangle. What about equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all the three sides are equal is called a equilateral. Okay, a triangle in which any two sides of its side are of equal length is called an isosceles, and a triangle in which all three sides are of different length is called a scalene triangle. Okay, now according to their angle we also divided it into three parts. Okay, which are acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. What about acute angle triangle? If we talk about acute angle, then if all the angles of triangle is less than 90 degree, then we can say that it's an acute angle triangle. Okay, and what about right angle triangle? If a triangle having its one angle at a right angle means 90 degree, then it is called right angle triangle. Okay, and a triangle having one of its angle more than 90 degree, then it's called obtuse angle triangle. Okay, now what about median of a triangle? If we talk about median, then what about median of a triangle? In this chapter we learn median of a triangle and altitude of a triangle. Okay, so the line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median. Okay, understand? So the line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median of a triangle. Okay, and what about the altitude? Altitude of a triangle, when the perpendicular drawn from the vertex of opposite side is called an altitude. Okay, understand? So the point of intersection of three altitude of a triangle is called the orthocenter. Okay, of a triangle. O is the orthocenter of a triangle ABC. If we draw three altitude and whenever the जिस पॉइंट पर ये तीनों एल्टीट्यूड एक दूसरे से मिलेंगे, इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे, the point is called orthocenter of the triangle. Okay, understand? Now in this chapter we learn exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, what is exterior angle property of this triangle? See here, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Okay, always exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle, sum of interior opposite angle. Remember this thing because this result is very important और ये सारे रिजल्ट आपको नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में बहुत काम आने वाले हैं. ओके, सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दीज theorems or these properties. This is called exterior angle property of a triangle. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. Okay, understand? And then we can talk about angle sum property of a triangle. What do you mean by angle sum property? What is angle sum property of a triangle? When we add the sum of the three angle of a triangle is always 180 degree. The sum of the three angle of a triangle is always 180 degree. It is angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, understand? Now we can learn exterior angle property, we can learn interior angle property. Okay, so you have to learn them and you have to remember these properties. Okay, so exterior angle, the exterior angle of a triangle is always formed between the produced side of the triangle and another side of a triangle. ओके, जब भी हम एक्सटीरियर एंगल की बात करते हैं, जब भी हम किसी एक्सटीरियर एंगल की, सपोज कि आपका एक ट्रायंगल है, तो आप जब एक्सटीरियर एंगल की बात करोगे तो आप जब इस साइड को प्रोड्यूस करोगे मीन्स एक्सटेंड करोगे तो ये आपका एक्सटीरियर एंगल है. दिस एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज ऑलवेज सम ऑफ दीज टू एंगल्स. ओके, आप इसके एक्सटीरियर एंगल की बात करेंगे तो यहाँ पर होगा, तो ये इस दो साइड्स के इक्वल होगा. अंडरस्टैंड? सो जब भी आप एक्सटीरियर एंगल की बात करते हैं तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल फॉर्म between the produced side of a triangle and another side of a triangle. Okay, understand? So this is the exterior angle and angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, and then in this chapter we learn two special theorem, that is equilateral and isosceles. What about isosceles triangle or what about equilateral triangle? If the triangle is equilateral, then the triangle also equiangular. Okay, equilateral and equiangular. What is equilateral? Equilateral means all the three sides are equal. And what about equiangular? Equiangular means all the angles are equal. And we know that angle sum about angle sum property of a triangle, all the sum of all the angles will be 180. So in equilateral triangle, all the angle measurement of all the angle is 60 degree. Okay, so 60 plus 60 plus 60, that is 180 degree. Okay, a triangle in which all the three sides are of equal length is called an equilateral triangle. And in equilateral triangle, we know that all sides have same length and each angle have measured 60 degree. Okay, understand? This is our equilateral triangle. What about isosceles triangle? If we talk about isosceles triangle, a triangle in which two sides are of equal length is called an isosceles triangle. We know that. Okay, but if the triangle is isosceles, then जो दो साइड उसकी इक्वल है उससे बने हुए एंगल भी इक्वल होंगे. Okay, understand? Two sides have same length. Base angle opposite to the equal side are equal. Okay, understand? See this figure. If xy and xz are equal, then angle y and angle z are also equal. Okay, इन आइसोसेलस ट्रायंगल, अगर कोई ट्रायंगल आइसोसेलस है तो उससे बने हुए उसकी जो दो साइड्स इक्वल हैं उससे बने हुए एंगल भी इक्वल होंगे इन आइसोसेलस ट्रायंगल. ओके, नाउ if we talk about sum of the length of two side of a triangle, see हम ये प्रॉपर्टी कब यूज़ करते हैं, जब हमें पता करना है क्या वो तीन साइड से मिलकर कोई ट्रायंगल बन सकता है. सो whenever you want to find, then what you can do, the sum of length of any two side of a triangle is greater than the third side. जब भी आप कोई भी दो साइड को प्लस करेंगे तो वो थर्ड साइड से हमेशा बड़ा होना चाहिए. ओके, इज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड नाउ. एंड the sum of the length of any two side of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side, and also the difference between the length of any two side of a triangle is smaller than the third side. अगर ये तीनों साइड, अगर आप तीन टोटल आपको कितने कॉम्बिनेशन मिल जाएंगे, 6. ओके, आप पहले दो साइड को ऐड करेंगे, क्या वो थर्ड साइड से बड़ा है. फिर अगेन दूसरी दो साइड्स को ऐड करेंगे, क्या वो थर्ड साइड से बड़ा है. तीसरी दो साइड्स को ऐड करेंगे, क्या वो बड़ा है. फिर सब्सट्रैक्ट करके देखेंगे क्या वो छोटे हैं. तो अगर वो छोटा है थर्ड साइड से, और अगर वो एडिशन अगर बड़ा है और सब्सट्रैक्शन अगर छोटा है थर्ड साइड से, तो यस द ट्रायंगल इज फॉर्म्ड. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. और अदरवाइज ट्रायंगल इज नॉट फॉर्म्ड. ओके, understand. So this type you have to find the triangle. There is a triangle whose side have length this 10.2 centimeter, 5.8 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. So अगर आपकी कंडीशन पर वो सही है तो आप बोलेंगे yes, the triangle is formed, triangle is possible. But if there are some mistakes, so it's not possible. Okay, understand. So this type you have to find is triangle is possible or is triangle is not possible. Okay, understand. And then we can learn right angle triangle and Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is right angle triangle? Student, you know right angle means 90 degree. When one angle is measure of 90 degree, then we can say that it's a right angle triangle. And one more thing, if one angle is 90 degree, and we know that sum of the all three angles is 180 डिग्री. अगर एक एंगल 90 डिग्री हो गया तो बाकी के दो एंगल ऑलवेज क्या होंगे, एक्यूट एंगल होंगे. ओके, क्योंकि 90 से कम होंगे. अंडरस्टैंड. सो बाकी के दो एंगल कैसे होंगे, 90 से हमेशा छोटे होंगे. तो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में एक एंगल तो क्या होगा, 90 डिग्री, बट बाकी के दो एंगल कैसे होंगे, एक्यूट एंगल होंगे. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो in this right angle triangle, always two angles having acute and one angle is right angle. Okay, understand. So if we talk about right angle triangle, then always remember, in a right angle triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of on the legs. ओके, जो आपका हाइपोटेनियस है, हाइपोटेनियस हमेशा राइट एंगल के अपोजिट होगा. ओके, दिस इज योर हाइपोटेनियस. सो ए सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर. दिस इज योर पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. This is your Pythagoras theorem. If the Pythagoras property hold, the triangle must be right angle. Or if the Pythagoras see, अगर Pythagoras theorem hold है तो triangle कैसा है, right angle triangle है. If the triangle is right angle, then the Pythagoras theorem hold compulsorily. Okay, understand. So whenever the Pythagoras theorem hold, the triangle is right angle, and if triangle is right angle, then the Pythagoras theorem is hold. Okay, understand. So in this chapter we learn the six elements of a triangle are its three angles and three sides. Okay, the line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side is called a median of a triangle, and a triangle has three medians. Okay, a triangle has three medians. A perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to its opposite side is called an altitude of a triangle. A triangle has three altitude also. An exterior angle of a triangle is formed when a side of a triangle is produced at each vertex. You have to way of forming an exterior angles. Okay, a property of exterior angle, the measure of any exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measure of its interior opposite angle. Always remember, student. Okay, understand? Means whenever you want, if this triangle ABC, then this angle is always equal to angle A plus angle B. Okay, understand? So this is your exterior angle property. Okay, understand? The angle sum property of a triangle tell us the total measure of the three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Okay, understand? A triangle is said to be equilateral if each one of its side has the same length. In an equilateral triangle, each angle has measured 60 degree. Okay, a triangle is said to be isosceles if at least any two of its sides are of same length. The non-equal side of an isosceles triangle is called its base. Okay, the base angle of an isosceles triangle have equal measure. See here, isosceles triangle अगर हमारी जो non equal side है, always triangle having three sides, so it's a non equal side and these two sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, so हम इसे बोलेंगे बेस, और बेस एंगल आर ऑलवेज इक्वल. जो दो साइड इक्वल हैं उसके बेस एंगल क्या रहते हैं, इक्वल होते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो property of length of a side of a triangle, the side of the length of any two side of a triangle is greater than length of its third side, and the difference between the length of any two side is smaller than the length of its third side. So remember these main properties. Okay, so these properties you have to remember. I will give you the notes for it, and copy the notes in your notebook and remember the all the properties of this chapter. And student, I see you all are not seeing the video, and if you see the video, acknowledge the same. अगर आपने नीचे वहाँ पर एक्नॉलेज किया है प्रेजेंट, देन एंड देन ओनली मैं आपको उस दिन प्रेजेंट मानूंगी, अदरवाइज आई विल गिव यू अब्सेंट. अंडरस्टैंड? Okay, so always whenever you see the video, keep your present there and give me acknowledgement. अगर मुझे acknowledgement मिलता है तो ही मैं आपको उस दिन present बोलूँगी, otherwise you are absent that day. Okay, understand? Now this property is useful to know if it is possible to draw a triangle when the length of the three sides are known. Okay, so आपको ये प्रॉपर्टीज़, दोनों प्रॉपर्टीज़, एडिशन और सब्सट्रैक्शन वाली प्रॉपर्टीज़ आपको कब यूज़ आएगी? जब आपसे पूछा जाए, थ्री साइड्स दी हुई हैं और आपसे पूछा जाए क्या ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल है, सो यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस. ओके, understand? In a right angle triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse and the other two sides are called its leg. Always remember, whenever you take an hypotenuse in right angle triangle, so you take a greater side. जो भी greater side होगी वो आपकी क्या होगी, hypotenuse होगी. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो और बाकी की दो साइड्स को आप बोलेंगे लेग्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. पाइथागोरस प्रॉपर्टी, इन अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल द स्क्वायर ऑफ द हाइपोटेनियस इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ ऑन इट्स लेग्स. Okay, if a triangle is not right angle, this property does not hold good. This property is useful to decide whether a given triangle is right angle or not. Okay, understand? And with this video I will give you worksheet, MCQ types questions. Okay, so complete it in your notebook, and I hope you are completed full chapter. Full chapter means 6 chapter in your notebook, and complete it, complete all the questions. Okay, and complete all worksheets also. Okay, have a good day.